Boom! What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Joannis or Joe Hatagwa. I'm a Sierra Leonean American living here in West Africa, and right now I'm in Sierra Leone. If you can't tell by the ornament on the bed, that's the Sierra Leone colors. And if you want to see what a luxury hotel looks like here in Sierra Leone, then this is the video for you. Yeah, so the Atlantic Lumley has some rooms that face the ocean, so you get a chance to see that. They also actually have a restaurant and a bar downstairs, and then they have a couple of other items that you can have access to. So they have a place called Loft Eatalicious. It's the restaurant that you can have access to, you can eat at. Pretty good restaurant. I like the food there. They also have the atrium, which is just kind of the bar in the lobby and a place to sit. People hold meetings there. They have conference rooms in the back. They also have a place that you have breakfast every morning. So a pretty cool space. I like it. And they also can do your laundry here, of course. So that's one of the other perks of this place. And then lastly, they have the Dickens Bar. So the Dickens Bar is actually a really cool bar. Not a lot of people know about it, but it's a really cool chill spot. Dope lighting, a really good place to kind of pregame before you go out, especially if you're going out on the strip. Warehouse is not too far from here, which is one of some people's favorites. Lagunda and Scarlet, which is another pretty cool place, is not too far from here. So this is one of the places I would definitely recommend you stay if you're coming out here and you want to be kind of in a central location. I really like the Atlantic Lumley Hotel. Really nice amenities and really cool staff. Yeah, check it out. All right, so as you can see, it's a very, very nice hotel from the outside. Love the sprawling views, all the different country flags. When you walk up to the front, there's some large, like 10, 15-foot doors in the front. Security opens the door for you as you walk into the lobby. To your right is where you pay. Straight ahead is the bar, and there's a breakfast place all the way down there. When you take the elevator up, you do need to have your card that lets you go to each floor. And then behind you, you can actually see the court or the center of the hotel as you go up the elevator. Really cool view of what the inside of the hotel looks like. As you exit the elevator, you can go left or right to the different rooms. So we're walking here to my room in particular. Now, one thing that you'll know is that the key entry is based on a sensor. You open the door, and then you actually have to place it into this in order to get light. So at night, you use that to turn the light on and off. And when you leave, you have to take your card with you. So walking into the bathroom, you see there's a nice standalone tub. Really nice. You know, all the features that you would expect in a tub. And there's even a little shower, so you can use that as well to rinse yourself off if you're in the tub. There's also, of course, the toilet. There's a phone for emergencies. The sink, you got your own hand wash. They have hand wash in a dispenser. They also have lotion in a dispenser. In this drawer, you have your toiletries. So they give you a dental kit, toothbrush, toothpaste. You get a comb, you get a sewing kit, a shower cap, a shaving kit. I mean, they really do take care of you with all of the different things that they offer to you in case you didn't bring it. Then you have the shower, of course, which has shampoo and bath gel as well. Full-size shower, everything you need, shower head, nice size shower, really cool marble laced shower. Then walking back out, of course, you have the storage to your right, so you can hang your stuff up in there. It's a pretty good amount of space. There's even a laundry book there. There's a safe down there where, you know, you can store your things. There's just more storage here as well. Then you have a little microwave. They give you 2 free waters. You have a tea set if you want to drink tea. There's a little fridge down there to store your stuff in if you want to keep stuff cool. Of course, that's my stuff there. You have a desk to work at, but also a TV. Then, of course, you have a queen size bed. And actually, if you want, you can actually open it up to the shower in the bathroom and have that open. So that's the room there mostly, but also the best part about it is the view. You have this ocean view with some of the rooms there in the hotel. So having that view is amazing. I mean, it's hard to beat that. So now I'm going back on the elevator and going back downstairs, because that was on my way to get breakfast. So they do offer breakfast in the mornings. If I'm not mistaken, it's available from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m., something like that. So when you're going to the breakfast place, you do have to walk through kind of the lobby area where the bar is. And so it's around to your right in the back, you see this breakfast place. So as you walk in, it's a standard kind of breakfast, dining area that you have in most major hotels. This places tend to be full with people, but they have coffee, you have donuts, you have juices, you have croissants, all that kind of stuff. Then you have all the fruits and vegetables, you have stuff for salad. They have beans and plantains and sausages. They have more sausages, they have noodles, they have yams and rice. And then they also have like mixed veggies and some potatoes too. So I didn't really get all that much. I kept it really simple. Fresh pineapples, fresh mangoes, and some plantains. Why not? All right, guys, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, comment, and share it with your friends. All right, see you on the next video.